Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you guys are all doing okay. In this video, I'm going to show you the use of alter statement. With the help of alter statement, we can add or change or can delete a column from a table. So let's just see how it is done. Okay, here we have a table student information and it has three columns. Let's just say I want to add another column and its name would be gender. So let's see how it is done. So first we have to type alter, then as we want to alter table, that's a alter table, then table name, and in this case it is student information. And as we want to add column, we have to type add, then column. Here we have to be very careful. First we have to put the column name, then we have to indicate what type of column is this. That means we have to define a data type. Let's see gender, and gender is a string type, so we have to use varchar. Varchar means variable character, and let's just define its size. Let's just see 12. Now semicolon at the end. Let's run it, alter plus enter. So here it is shown that I have successfully entered one column. Okay, here you can see we have a new column under the name of gender, and here all these values is shown null because I haven't insert any value yet. Later I'm going to show you how to drop a column or delete a column. For that case, let's type alter as usual, then alter table, table name, student information, which is later as I want to delete a column or drop a column, I have to type drop. Let's just make it capital. Okay, drop, then column, and here I have to denote column name, and column name is gender. Okay, all good. Let's go. Here SQL is asking me if I really want to drop this column. Let's just make it okay. Okay, now let's check it out. So here you can see previously I have here a column under the name of gender, but now I successfully deleted it. Now let's just see, I want to change a column name. Let's just make it, I want to change the role name to ID. Okay, for this we have to follow this statement. Okay, as usual, alter, then table name, in this case it is student information. Later change, we have to put this close change. Now old column name, in this case our old column name was role. Let's just type it, change old column name, then we have to put new column name and its data type, and new column name would be id, and id contain of integer number, so data type would be integer, and let's just denote its size, and in this case it would be 7. Okay, putting semicolon at the end. Now let's go. So I have successfully entered one column. Let's just check it out. Sorry, I just successfully renamed a column. Sorry. So here previously I had role column, now I have ID. And that's all the use that I have learned so far about alter statement. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Goodbye and take care.